So the next thing we want to do is to teach you how to create link, hyperlink. Hyperlink is where when you go on Star's website, when you click on home, it take you to home page. If you click on contact, it take you to contact page. If you click uh, on on different websites on in your browsers, it takes you there. So the hyperlink is a link that connects you to different sections of your website, section of your websites. It also takes you to an external website that is not part of your website. So there are two type of hyperlink, two type of linking. We have absolute ABSOLUT, absolute, absolute and relative link. Okay, absolute and relative links. Now the absolute links, um, the absolute links is a link that take you outside, that connect your website to another website. For example, if on certain websites, if you want to do online payment, they will always tell you, say, this link will redirect you to another website outside of our website, right? That's an absolute. That's an absolute link navigation. Then the relative link navigation is wherein the links you build on your website takes you to different section of your same website. So tonight we'll do two of them. First, let's do the relative and then we'll do the absolute. This video will just teach this fundamental. We'll have whole week, so now maybe 2 weeks to do link navigation and site structuring for 2 weeks. But I'll just introduce you to it so that you can use the knowledge and go with advanced yourself and prepare your heart and your minds when that time reach so they can be, on top of the game. So first, let's do our H3. Let's say H4. Example. Examples of link. Navigation. So the first thing first, it has the tag called A, and that A stands for anchor. That A stands for anchor tag. All right. It is represented by A. A open, A close. A open, A close. So for example, let's say in our website we have home. We have home. We have contacts. We have apply. We want to create a link that will take us to Star's websites. Our full basic link we want to create, right? So the play where you see the cursor blinking. The play where you see the cursor blinking. Let me see. The place that you see this cursor blinking. This particular place is where we're going to put the link, the name of the link, the address, the name that will appear on the website that you will see and click on. Is what we're going to put the link. And now the rule says that right after this H, if you always see the H right here, A, we should press the long key called space bar. We should press space bar one time like this. We should press space bar one time. And the thing we come in put here is a code. This code is going to define the location of that link. That is, the thing you put here, it will appear on the website so that people can be able to see the visual, can be able to see it, maybe your text, maybe your picture. Then when they click on it, where it should take them, it's going to be right here. We're going to define the location. Display, where we're going to put the code, we call it URL. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. It is a uniform resource locator that won't put anything on the web browser can take out there, right? The moment you say google.com on the browser, that google.com, there is a address that is coded that you can see. The moment you put that google.com, that text, it will link you straight to Google website. Facebook.com, it take you to Facebook, YouTube, just like that. So first, that put this link name. The first link it will say home. That means we will see this word home on our page, but then we'll click on the home. Where should it take us? It is where now here we'll define it now. Here. So let me carry it back. Good. It is here. So to create the code that defined where the link will take us, they got a code for it. They call it attributes. Attributes are a piece of code that is written within, that is written after, the elements within the tag, not before. This is before and this is after. Any code you put with after, any code you put after an element within a tag is called attributes. They are not tag, they are attribute. That attribute defines the properties of what you want to do. For example, what's the attribute of human being? Your attribute is everything about you, right? So the attribute here is going to define the properties. It's going to control what that link will do or what that code will do. So the attribute for link is only one attribute called href. How I pronounce it? Href. Href. Ref. Href. You already pick it already, so you click on it. And when you click on it, this is the code syntax. The syntax is pattern of how the code is supposed to be written. Syntax are patterns of how code is supposed to be written, right? So href equal double quote open, double quote close. It is within the double quote, the double quotes, the opening and the closing double quote. Where you see the blinker blinking, the ink blinking, it is where we're going to put the location of that home. That is when they click on this home, this particular link called home, where it should take them. The place that it will take them is what we're going to define to the place where the blinker blinking. So since this is going to take them to home, we'll say href equal home dot html. So once you are using relative link navigation and you are connecting home page to any other page within the same website, you know every page you have, it ends with .html, right? So that being the case, when you put the page name home, that you should be able to put the extension of that particular HTML5 page so that the browser can understand it to be a relative navigation. That when they click on the home, it will not take them to a different website, but the same website but different page, and that page will be home. Together, let's save this one. I press Ctrl S, I go to the browser, and yeah, you see, this is our first link. First link. So that go back and create a second link, right? So I don't want to write everything over, so I just copy and paste. And then this one make it contact, CON, contact us page. Contact us. If this link will be contact us, then I should change this name. To what? Contact us. Contact us .html. Good. Contact us .html. So I create another link. I will say stars. Oh no, let me just say apply, right? Oh yeah, apply online. Apply online. Now this link will appear, but where is this link taking me to? We have they assume that we have certain page on our website where student or anybody can apply online, right? So we'll call that page apply online application. Online application .html. Let's save it and see. Go to our browser and refresh. Here is it. You have home, you have contacts, you have apply online. These are the three links we have. So all these links are relative link navigations. If a person click on them, it's not going to take them to an standard website. It will take them exactly on the same website or the same web page. It just has to be like you are on home page and you want to go to contact us page. Once you click on contact us page, it takes you straight to contact us page. And once you want to click on apply online, it takes you straight to apply online. So right now they won't work because we don't have pages that have been created called apply online or contact our page. So when you click on it, it will tend to blink. Okay, it will tend to blink. Tend to blink. That's how it looks like. Okay. Okay. So the second thing is we want to do absolute link navigations. Absolute link navigation is a little bit, it's the same idea, but it's a little bit slightly different. All right, so let's do our anchor tag, and let's assume that we want to create a link where, and when people click on that link, it's going to take them to Stars official website. So for example, the name we're going to put between the opening and the closing tag of the anchor tag is the name that's going to appear on the website. So first, I put it there first. Okay, Stars official website. All right, let's define the URL. That is the locations that define where that website is in the world. Okay, so we'll use our coding href. Here we're going to put Stars full website address. Stars full website address. Together. So we will not use .html because it's not a relative link navigation. We don't have, it is not a page that we built in our website. It is a page that was built to another website, another external website. So for us to link our website to it, we have to use that absolute URL. So how is it done? It begins with http / double quote, colon open, http / then we can say https / then after the colon we put Stars official website address. So it's STAR Stars, somewhere in Stars official website address. Star website is starsit.com. Stars official website. So here is the location, the uniform. Here is the address where the website will take you to, and then Stars official website is the link that will appear on our website, on our webpage. This one will appear, and then the location will not appear. This is the code that controls the location. So we'll save it, and then we'll refresh our browser. Look at that, we have it. And if I had internet right now on my computer, as soon as I click on Stars official website, it's going to direct me straight to Stars official website homepage. So a link that is found on your website, that if people click on it, it'll redirect them to another website, an external website, is called absolute link navigation. Links that are found on your website, that when people click on it, it doesn't take them to an external website, but it navigates through different pages of the same website. It's called relative. All right, it's called relative. So let me save this other video and send it to you as much as quick as possible. So that you see how it works. You just do the code.